How's it going, folks? Voodoo Stache here. We're going to take a look at some PAILs and rails progressions for improving internal and external rotation of the shoulder. I like doing this one with the stick. So again, there's lots of different ways to do this. This is just another way of doing the same thing. So I'm going to chop that bar against a pulse that's immovable. I'm going to get my arms at 90 degrees. I'm going to focus in here on my rib cage being down. I'm going to feel a little bit of a pull, a little bit of stretch on my chest as I step through that bar. And I want to make sure these things are level. Oftentimes I'll get off a little bit. So I try to line up the holes and keep it there. Rib cage is down. First thing you're going to do, you're going to be pressing in. I'm going to internally rotate like this against the pole. We're going to go through all 5 gears of tension. So ribs are down, pressing gear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Holding that at that 5th gear for 10 seconds, holding. Then you do the same thing going back. About every 2 or 3 seconds, you'll move into the next gear. So now I'm going to go backward. I'm going to go gear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold it there for 10 seconds and bring it on back. So that would be a good way for you to improve your ability to externally rotate your shoulder. If you need to improve internal, we'll step to the other side of the bar. Same idea, arms are at 90 degrees, rib cage is down, all that good stuff. This time I'm thinking about externally rotating against the bar through the side here. Ribs are down, then slowly press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One thing to look out for is this, your rib cage coming up. Rib cage has to stay down as you do that. And then from here, when you do the internal rotation, the biggest place that I see people cheat from is their shoulders. Your shoulders will round forward like this. I don't want this thing pushing forward. Think about taking your shoulder blades and squeezing them together. So my arms are 90. I pinch my shoulder blades together from here, like I'm holding a pencil between my shoulder blades. And then I'm going to internally rotate. So I'm going to go gear 1, holding there. Gear 2, try not to come up in my traps, keeping those shoulders down. Gear 3, gear 4, gear 5, holding there for 10 seconds, and then reset. So whatever spot you're the most limited in is where you're going to spend the most time on improving that stuff. Again, so we've got internal rotation this way, external rotation that way. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out, let me know.